I'm Tracy Mancuso from Venus Concept, North America, and I'm here to introduce you to a new product. This is the Venus Viva. The Venus Viva is a very special product. It's used for fractional resurfacing, skin texture irregularities, scars, enhancement, and resurfacing those fine lines and wrinkles is really what this system is very good for and what it's developed for. Now there's a few different things about this system that are going to sort of wow you and be a little bit more surprising to you. The first thing is we have two different heads. So the two different treatment heads are the diamond polar, which is used for skin tightening. And this one has been proven over many years and crossed over 40 countries for skin tightening for the face, the neck, and also for small areas, let's say the arms. And this is a very nice, comfortable treatment. The patient goes through a series of 6 treatments, and they come once a week, and they're very, very pleased with the results from this. With the diamond polar handpiece, there are 2 energies that are being emitted. The first being radio frequency, and the second being pulsed electromagnetic fields, or I'll refer to it as PEMF, just for safety's sake, easier to say. The 2 are emitted simultaneously, and the reason that we have 2 different energies being emitted is because we want to cause tissue contraction, so collagen contraction to the area through radio frequency. We want to cause damage to existing collagen, so then new collagen will form in the area through the radio frequency action. The elastin fibrils will relax and cause the tissue to look more buoyant over a period of time. Now with PEMF, or pulsed electromagnetic fields, what we're doing is we're causing angiogenesis, which is the creation of new blood vessels to the area. When you create new blood vessels to the area, you're increasing the oxygen flow. You're increasing nutrients to the tissue, and you're also reducing the amount of lymph flow to the area by making it move a little faster through the bloodstream. The fractional resurfacing head is a wonderful device to be able to target those areas that you want to smooth out the skin and really make it look like it's young and fresh. The screen allows you to do many different things. We have some presets that are able to be programmed into the system. However, we do have an entire section that's dedicated to the service professional who wants to be able to have full control over the delivery of the system. So we can choose more ablative and more coagulation depending on what we want to achieve with our patient, and it's all based on what they want to achieve in their treatment results. The system is very simple to use. We're going to just select our applicator just by scrolling through the system. And once we've scrolled through and we have our handpiece selected, then we can choose our energy settings. Once we've chosen our energy settings, then we can go to our ready button and go ahead and start firing. Now, the nice thing about our system is the tip. So we'll talk a little bit about the tip. Our tip is a little bit different. Our tip, which applies very easily to the treatment head, comes with 160 pins. 160 pins delivering energy, but not all at the same time. It's through a scanner mode. So 4 pins fire at a time, and then the next 4 pins fire. What this allows the treatment to do is it allows the treatment to be more comfortable to the patient, because although they're getting 160 pins at maximum power delivered to the skin, it's not all at the same time. It's delivered over a period of time. So this makes the treatment much more comfortable for the patient. The other thing that's unique and special about our tip is that it also allows you flexibility to choose how many pins you wish to fire. You can choose all full 160 pins for a full treatment, or if you want, you can choose a slightly less aggressive pattern, let's say only firing 80 of the pins and choosing something that's a little bit less ablative. You can also treat in very small areas. So let's say the upper lip area, I might select one of the programs that chooses only the upper half portion of the pins to be able to choose small areas, which is very, very nice for the flexibility, again, for the treatment provider. So these are some of the features that are good for the system that will be a little bit different than many of the systems you've seen out there. It's very easy to use the system. Once you've pressed the ready button and you begin firing, I'm going to fire a few outside of the treatment. You'll notice that the small blue bar fires off, and you'll know that it's full contact with the tissue and that you fired a full pulse. It's that simple to treat someone.